Welcome everyone to this special MCQ series on UGC NET English Literature. This series is designed strictly according to the official UGC syllabus, with high-level, PYQ-based, and concept-trap questions that help you think like a NET examiner. Here, we don't just revise literature, we decode it, challenge it, and master it. First question. Arden of Faversham differs from kids' revenge tragedies because it focuses on A. Mythological heroes, B. Domestic crime and realism, C. Supernatural revenge, D. Royal warfare. The right answer is option B. Domestic crime and realism. Next question. The style of Cornelia is especially noted for its A. Comic wit, B. Elevated rhetorical speeches, C. Rustic dialogue, D. Scientific realism. The right answer is option B. Elevated rhetorical speeches. Next question. Which work associated with Kit combines love and political violence? A. Soliman and Pacida, B. Verses of Praise and Joy, C. The Householder's Philosophy, D. The Murder of John Bruin. The right answer is option A. Soliman and Pacida. Next question. Cornelia reflects Kit's interest in A. Classical tragedy, B. Romantic comedy, C. Medieval folklore, D. Pastoral romance. The right answer is option A. Classical tragedy. Next question. The significance of a Hamlet in literary history lies in its probable influence on A. Restoration drama, B. Shakespearean revenge tragedy, C. Victorian realism, D. Metaphysical poetry. The right answer is option B. Shakespearean revenge tragedy. Next question. Which of the following works of Kit is lost? A. Cornelia, B. A Hamlet, C. The Householder's Philosophy, D. The Murder of John Bruin. The right answer is option B. A Hamlet. Next question. Verses of Praise and Joy was written approximately in A. 1586, B. 1603, C. 1570, D. 1621. The right answer is option A. 1586. Next question. Verses of Praise and Joy belongs to which literary category? A. Dramatic tragedy, B. Prose fiction, C. Non-dramatic poetry, D. Satirical essay. The right answer is option C. Non-dramatic poetry. Next question. The Murder of John Bruin was published around A. 1580, B. 1592, C. 1605, D. 1610. The right answer is option B. 1592. Next question. The Murder of John Bruin is best described as A. A revenge tragedy, B. A prose pamphlet, C. A sonnet sequence, D. A historical chronicle. The right answer is option B. A prose pamphlet. Next question. Torquato Tasso, whose work Kit translated, belonged to A. Italy, B. France, C. Spain, D. Germany. The right answer is option A. Italy. Next question. The Householder's Philosophy was published in A. 1588, B. 1594, C. 1601, D. 1579. The right answer is option A. 1588. Next question. Which translated prose work of Kit is based on Torquato Tasso's writing? A. The Murder of John Bruin, B. The Householder's Philosophy, C. Verses of Praise and Joy, D. Cornelia. The right answer is option B. The Householder's Philosophy. Next question. The plot of Arden of Faversham centers around A. Political rebellion, B. Royal succession, C. Murder within domestic life, D. Religious persecution. The right answer is option C. Murder within domestic life. Next question. Arden of Faversham is significant in English drama as an example of A. Domestic tragedy, B. Epic theatre, C. Sentimental comedy, D. Heroic drama. The right answer is option A. Domestic tragedy. Next question. Which play is sometimes attributed jointly to Thomas Kit because of stylistic similarities? A. Volpone, B. Arden of Faversham, C. Every Man in His Humour, D. The Duchess of Malfi. The right answer is option B. Arden of Faversham. Next question. The first part of Hieronymo is considered by scholars as A. Completely authentic, B. Entirely Shakespearean, C. Partially disputed in authorship, D. A lost lyric poem. The right answer is option C. Partially disputed in authorship. Next question. The first part of Hieronymo is connected with A. Romantic drama, B. The Spanish tragedy tradition, C. Greek comedy, D. Victorian melodrama. The right answer is option B. The Spanish tragedy tradition. Next question. Which famous revenge motif was likely present in A. Hamlet? A. Ghost demanding revenge, B. Comic disguise, C. Pastoral romance, D. Religious conversion. The right answer is option A. Ghost demanding revenge.